In this video, we are going to check out the Apple IIe Enhancement Kit retail box. Warning, dealer installation required. Wah wah. Sit back, relax, and let's watch this unboxing video.
It's blurred.
So let's take a up-close look at the box. Here is the front of the box. Right here, warning, dealer installation required. Logic board not included. This is the logic board, of course. Here is one side of the box. Another side of the box. And yet another side of the box. But wait, there's more. The back of the box with nothing on it. Alrighty, let's open this up and see what comes inside retail packaging of an Apple IIe Enhancement Kit.
Put the gun down.
I saw you with the box. What was in the box?
Because I envy your normal life.
Put the gun down, David.
It seems that envy is my sin.
Oh, what's in the box?
Now that the box is open, let's take a look at what's inside. We are greeted with a packing list. Tells you everything that would come in this retail box. And let's go ahead and open this up here and see if there's anything else on it. Right there on the lower left corner, focus. Yeah, it looks like a part number. And over here on the right corner, looks like November 13th of 1984, so probably a date of when this was produced. We then have the enhancement sticker on card. Included in this package is an identification label for your enhanced Apple IIe computer. To apply it, simply remove the adhesive backing and place the label over the power light located just to the left of your Open Apple key. Pretty cool, unused. My Apple IIe is actually enhanced already, so I will not be using this kit. This kit will either be sold or traded off to a fellow Apple enthusiast. Also included is the dealer installation instructions. So let's say you are not a dealer and you don't want to go to the Apple store. Since you've got these instructions, you can play an Apple dealer on YouTube. Pretty cool. Next up, we have got what looks to be a warranty card. Apple Computer Inc. with a P.O. box in Cupertino, California. Nothing on the back. Let's go ahead and open it up and turn it around and give you a close-up look at that. There you go. Pause if you need to. Whoever ends up with this enhancement kit could fill this out and send it on in. I actually wonder if this is still a valid P.O. box for Apple Computer Inc. Have to check into that. And then last, it looks like we've got here the About Your Enhanced Apple IIe User's Guide. That's the front. Here is the back. And right there you got the Apple Computer Inc. address in Cupertino on Mariani Avenue? I don't know. Down here in the corner, another part number, copyright 1985. And next we see blue foam, blue anti-static foam, which matches the blue towel that I'm using. And don't worry, for my longtime viewers and followers and subscribers, the purple towel will be returning soon. Laundry day, you know, it's getting washed and cleaned and gonna be looking sharp for the next video that it appears in. So yeah, let's go ahead and move this blue foam out of the way. It's kind of like an egg crate, pretty neat. And here is the kit. Factory sealed in an anti-static bag, never used, brand new. Still has the tape right here from the factory. And I am not gonna open this. I'm gonna, like I said, I'm going to keep it sealed to either sell it or trade it off. But yeah, you can see copyright 1984 there, and if we get it in the light just right, you can see here is the CPU and the other 3 chips. And that's pretty awesome. So yeah, I had mentioned, you know, I might sell this or trade it, but I might also raffle it off to my Patreons. That's right, I have a Patreon, and I'd like to thank my Patreon supporters right here. Shout out to my Patreons, and then you can also see my link, patreon.com/geek with social skills. Link in the description if you want to support me on Patreon. So yeah, this is the complete in-box Apple IIe Enhancement Kit. Thank you for watching my video. I'm going to go ahead and get this all put back together all beautiful like, and get it ready for sale or for trade. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like it, click the thumbs down twice. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Stay safe out there. We'll see you in the next video.